Townsville's expecting a cold snap this weekend, and I'm expecting one lucky buyer to snap up this beautiful acreage home here in Mount Lowe. I'm Abigail Fairbanks from Cutting Edge Properties, and this is 19 Cali Court. This stunning acreage property offers a lifestyle that so many families dream of, with all the best of acreage living, yet so close to local amenities. Inside, there are some stunning features I can't wait to show you. But first, let's have a look at what's number one on everyone's wish list. Okay, so I know I'm small, but this shed is so big, it makes me look like an ant standing next to a sunflower. There's so much room in here for all of your toys, trucks and tools. This front workspace is 6 meters by 6 meters. And this massive space here is 8 meters by 12 meters. It's fully powered and has 4 roller doors for easy access. Okay, now let's go inside and have a look. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and boy does this kitchen have my heart. It features a breakfast bar, beautiful stone bench tops, a 5-burner gas stove, and groovy tile choices to finish off the look. You've got so much space in this home to spread out. Here is your main living area, and over here is a separate sitting area, which is perfect to keep the chef company or read a good book. The 3 bedrooms are generously sized with built-in wardrobes and split system air conditioning to keep the whole family cool year round. Okay, this bathroom has to be my favourite part of the house. It's tiled to the ceiling for easy maintenance and features a stunning bathtub perfect for relaxing. If you love to entertain, you'll love this oversized patio. There's so much space to entertain your family and friends. Or if you've had a big week and you want to relax, you can light up your fire pit and enjoy the peace and quiet that being on a big block offers. 19 Cali Court is located on a 4,084 square metre block, which is heaps of room for everyone to enjoy. Mount Lowe is a family-friendly suburb that's in the northern part of Townsville. It's got playgrounds, parks and dog parks to keep everyone in your family entertained. It won't matter if you're a Coles or a Woolworths shopper, as both are less than 10 minutes away. The Ring Road will connect you to Townsville's largest employers with a 20-minute drive. Ice cream at the Strand is about a 25-minute drive, and the Townsville CBD a few minutes less. An acre block with a massive shed and the most dreamy bathroom I've ever seen. You better be quick. I'll see you right here this weekend.